first the headlines. Journalists meet solid Chandrayaan-2 propellant team member Hidam Rajiv. Availability of local salt considerably reduced in Manipur due to government negligence. And Ravi NNPG's meet in New Delhi postponed. Hello, this is Times of Manipur and you're watching the afternoon news with me, Mandira, and now the news in detail. Juribam journalist today met Hidam Rajiv, who was a team member of Chandrayaan-2 mission recently launched by Indian Space Research Organization ISRO. Rajiv is the son of Hidam Indra Kumar Singh and Hidam Sana Hanbi Devi from Dibong, Juribam. He studied at Juri Public English School, Juribam, Jawaharlal Navodaya Vidyalaya, Pilapul of Assam and Assam Engineering College, Guwahati. Hidam Rajiv has been a scientist at ISRO since 2009. Before joining ISRO, he worked at Hindustan Zinc Limited, Rajasthan for 1.5 years. Through a campus recruitment in Assam Engineering College, he passed the online recruitment examination of ISRO and was later posted at the only launch center of ISRO located at Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota. Rajiv told the journalist that he has a proud feeling to be a part of the solid propellant team of Chandrayaan-2. He advised the youths that dedication is needed to achieve success. Salt is one of the essential food items that we consume every day. Natural salt was once largely produced in Manipur. However, due to lack of attention from the state government and the district administration, the availability of local salt has been considerably reduced these days. TOMTV has an exclusive report on this.
Marangphung is a hamlet in Ukhrul district, situated about 145 km away from the state capital Imphal. It has only 70 households and a population of around 380. Marangphung is endowed with wells of salt since time immemorial, and our forefathers engaged in salt mining in these wells for domestic consumption and also for commercial purposes through traditional methods, village headman S.A. Kahausan said.
Akoina Songbashi, Krahantana Bahabashi, Kanmani. Habadi, Injusra, Gormendra, Akoinasi, Mateng Pinanabaki the Mukta, Akoi, Honab Suhane, Adorso, Krishum Mateng Pangde. Atoki the Maramwina, Waji, Tokibishi, Kunshinsi, Waman Bagi, Sing Puvane, Ukakpane, Ahing the Tum the Dana, Sipai Gumna Sandri Tauraga Tum Songbashi, Wabaki the Mukta, Tokibani.
S.A. Kahausan expressed displeasure on the fact that the traditional way of salt mining has become a burden for the villagers, as bulk production is impossible because of the unscientific mining process, even though the wells are overflowed with raw salt water throughout the year.
Jehi Chup na Sungrupsu, Isingsi Leptabi, Gangba Late, Halbasi, Haningi, Hanna, Kun Tum Sumbashi, Kun Manga, Asinal, Sumbazani. Tasomne, Buchaine, Namraine, Chalaune, Asi, Raina Sumani.
The local salt contains many medicinal properties that could cure various ailments like joint pain, sore throat, goiter, gastric problem, and even diabetes, S.A. Kahausan added. He drew the attention of the concerned authority for taking up steps towards ensuring large-scale production of this high-quality salt.
नखोइगी थुमसी सिजिनबसिता अखोइगी अनायक लैते आइबसी होचिक होचिक फावबसु असि लैबनी अतुगिदमक्ता नागालैंडा माउदा यामना सिजिनबसी अनायकि दमक्ता अनाब लैबसिंग अखोइगी थुमसी सिजिनबति नादे फै हाइबगिदमक्ता हेन्न होचिक फावबसु नागालैंड माउ असिना सिजिनबनी.
The native people of the village has been extracting salt from this very pond water. And when tested, this salt has the 100% saltiness of the salt that we use every day. And the seasons came from December of every year till May of every year, where they start extracting the salt. They drew the attention of the authorities concerned so that in near future, in order to increase the production of salt, they want to set up with the proper digital equipment or modern technology in order to increase the production of salt. From Marangpung with camera person Dev Darshan, this is Blessing Yangmai for TOMTV News.
Talks between the Working Committee of Naga National Political Groups NNPGs and interlocutor RN Ravi, which were scheduled to be held in New Delhi on Friday in the latest round of Indo-Naga parleys, could not be held, media reports said. According to Zimomi, the NNPGs have now become the mouthpiece of the people. He also confirmed that Hukavi Yeputhomi, a senior NSC and IM leader and also a member of the group's negotiating team, has joined in the working committee of NNPGs on the evening of October 24th. The day Hukavi found out that the chief negotiator of the NSC and IM was not ready to accept the reality and some differences occurred in their approach and opinion, he decided to leave, said Zimomi, adding that the new member of the committee wanted to make his approach very practical. Zimomi further claimed that other members also were not happy with the chief negotiator because they knew that the people are being fooled. For how long will they fool our people and keep them in the dark? Questioned Zimomi. Radhakrishna Mathur, the advisor of Tripura's Chief Minister Biplab Dev, has been appointed as the first Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh, media reported. R.K. Mathur was the former Chief Secretary of Tripura and will take charge as Ladakh's LG from October 31st. Apart from being the Chief Advisor to Tripura CM, Mathur is also the Vice Chairman of the State Planning Board. Mathur is a retired IAS officer of 1977 batch of MT cadre and has spent a long time in the state. He was appointed as the Chief Secretary of the state in December 2003. In 2016, he was appointed as the Chief Information Commissioner of India. He also held the post of the Defence Secretary of India and served in different other posts. He is a BTech in Mechanical Engineering from IIT Kanpur. He did his MTech Industrial Engineering from IIT Delhi. He also holds the MBA degree from International Center for Promotion of Enterprises, Lujub Jana IIT Kanpur. Ahead of the Ningol Chakobo festival, a temporary market was set up by women vendors from different communities of Hairok and nearby villages in Thoba district today at the playground of Chingdompok Ideal Top Youth Club, City Club, Hairok. Different varieties of organic fruits and various other items were sold at the pop-up market. People thronged the market to purchase their favorite items. The event was organized by City Club. Talking to media in this regard, Publicity Secretary of City Club, Maibam Kendu Maitei, said that the objective of organizing such market was to showcase the sense of unity and brotherhood among the ethnic communities in the hills and valley of Manipur.
Market selong thang gi hamal ki manungda ani subathang gi singtam kai khelai ran daraga singtam amadi singtam ani gi manthra iba mari si sokhar iba to phagat pangam na bagara bagda stake lam rais to daraga singtam kai khelai ran daraga si ami ani subathang gi sinjabani.
Now we have a short break coming up. Watch Gramlok of Manipuri poetries held at Ishok, Bishnupur district.
Prabhavati Handloom brings you special offers for Ningol Chakoba. Ningol chakobuna lakpa sida makhal kayagi fi fanek fangbiragani laisabi yum palabi ahal oiraba ima singna setpa yaba inba yaba fizol khudingmak fangbiragani ngasimak lengsen birau Prabhavati Handloom Moirangkhom Sogaizam Lairak Machin natraga aikhoigi phone number 6909126615 natraga 7005800023 da call tawbirau Prabhavati Handloom.
Ningol Singi akanaba kumhai Ningol Chakobuna lakpada Dhamabati Emporium na October kuntra fawba chada kuntra discount pizari. Akak naba matam khaktamak pizaba discount ne. Ningol Singi makhal kayagi fige, wangkai fi, rani fi, blouse, tops fi fanek na chingba makhal suna fangbiragani. Ngasi maglengsen biraksi Dhamabati Emporium, Ghari Makhalaikai near Pakang Baford. Contact number 7085186485 natraga 7005946596.
Hey Lola, nak phone yaw bra?
Yaw eh,
Lamjing ba kep kau ne, apang?
ay kauf tu re.
Manipuri ahan ba 24/7 service oiriba lamjingba cab service namyamgi seva tawjari.
Manipurgi district sing amadi mapal lam sing loina na luhongba amadi atay thogdok sing gisu discount pijari. Ningol chakobagi damak akhanaba hour package discount pijari. Ngasi mag book tawbiu hena akupa marol gi damak lamjingba cab service Nagamapal Rims Road near Nityananda Temple.
Welcome back. Sahitya Academy, New Delhi Social Development Institute, Ishok and Ishok Gram Panchayat jointly organized a Gram Lok of Manipuri poetries today at Ishok of Bishnupur district. Speaking at the event, convener of Manipuri Advisory Board, Sahitya Academy, New Delhi, N. Kiran Kumar said that the Gram Lok provides a platform to writers from rural areas to showcase their writing skills and creativity. He also maintained that the event will also encourage poets on the stage to recite their poems. Altogether, 28 writers from across the state took part in the Gram Lok. Former member of Lema Pokpam Zilla Parishad H. Khomdom Meite and Pradhan of Ishok Gram Panchayat W. Deben attended the event as main guest. First Manipuri feature film of SSI Films production Mira Lamba Lairam Lenda Tindabat Hawaii was released at Athokpam Makha Hiring Makhong ground yesterday. The film is directed by Ngom Chasoibum and produced by Somorendra Waikom, MLA of Khangabuk constituency. O. Suraj Kumar attended the event. The script is written by Pahari Konsom. Among the lead roles are Amar Memnaubi, Gepelina, Dhanamanjuri, Amuba and Ashok. A two-day tourism orientation program jointly organized by Manipur Tourism Forum and Directorate Handloom and Textiles for the Handloom Weavers concluded at Imphal Peace Museum, Maibam Lodpaching today. Speaking at the function, Secretary of Manipur Tourism Forum, Harjit Sinam, said that the weavers expressed happiness to be able to participate in such programs. On the concluding day, many tourism experts spoke on tourism, besides an interaction program with National Awardee of Handloom and Handicraft. 15 weavers took part in the orientation program.
Ngarang program chathagi badagi ding asi dai hena excitement oiduna amukam asi dagi ahenba program introductory nataba manung hudna ngasagi textile and tourism je kmaina promote tawwa yagada bagi orientation program se amuk hena tawnabagi damakta mokhoina request lakjari.
A training program on development schemes as an instrument for social protection for northeastern states was organized by V.V. Giri National Labour Institute under the Ministry of Labour and Employment, Government of India from October 21st to 25th at its campus in Noida, Uttar Pradesh. The program aimed to develop an understanding of social protection and livelihood security for workers, mainly in the unorganized sector, and provide a linkage with development schemes and other issues. The program was attended by 40 delegates representing government officials, trade unions and non-governmental organizations from Northeast India. 5 women from Manipur also participated in the program, and moreover, the course director of the event was Dr. Otojit Khetrimayum of Manipur. He is currently a fellow and coordinator of the Center for Northeast India at VV Giri National Labour Institute, New Delhi. President of MEEU, Laishom Ibomcha, has urged the concerned authority to clear the pending salaries of all employees working under MSPDCL, MSPCL and EDM at the earliest, considering the upcoming Ningol Chakoba festival. He was talking to media at MEEU office located at Keshampan, Imphal yesterday. Ibomcha termed as unfortunate that despite the announcement by government to release pending salaries by 22nd October, no action is visible till now. He also warned of cease work strike if the salaries of September and October are not paid within October 29.
Government company ni government sponsor torga hingi bu company ni adu maside yam phajana thabuk torga sendong tan pa yabani adu crore paw pi bu ngamdre adu masi yam thuna akoi gi government attention pi bi raga akoi minister honorable power minister na audi commissioner MD anina kana tanaraga tanabiraga akoi tolopsi pitoknaba akoi Resi through the appeal tokjari natragna sa hijagre koi 29 bawunga PBU sidi thani tolopsi natragadi akoi ek sudi hangbaga koi festival si loraga koi tarik ani matungda oibe mari oibe decide torga koi sijwai sar haujargani
Chaturanga yumda nungaina fothabiu lakliba festive season da hakchang phana nungaina celebrate tobiu rupees 4999 gi phamung laiteng sing leibiu aduga rupees 999 gi apamba potchai lemna lobiu sizinaraba pilosing pubirau anauba amana mahut sinbiu kaubiraganu langsin biraksi koji homestay Olympic shopping complex Dinku Road Imphal mobile number 9612732809
Sunrise Enterprises. Buy any type of RO water purifier with heavy discount and get pre-filter free. Servicing of any type of domestic and commercial RO water purifier. Available all spare parts. For details, please contact Sunrise Enterprises, Major Khul near Community Hall, Thangal Bazaar. Open from 8:30 to 6:30 p.m. Mobile number 908-918-9371 or 9436-442-885. Or email us at rj_shn@hotmail.com.
Welcome back. As part of Swachhata Hi Seva under the Swachh Bharat mission, plastic dustbins were distributed to residents of Kakching Kunau Municipal Council Ward Number 9, Umathil. 2 dustbins each were distributed to 372 households. The initiative was taken up to maintain proper solid waste management in the area. Talking in this regard, Councillor of Ward Number 9, KH Radhamani, said that the dustbins were distributed to maintain cleanliness and good health in every household of the area. She also urged the locals to contribute in keeping the environment clean.
Bucketsing as Yumtung Kundigi and Zabani, Masi Akogi, Swaz Bharat mission Haidana, India Gomen and local labor Tarutananba, Indiama, or Nabuhonabada, Haiba municipality, Maka, the lady one number 9, Asisu, Swastehi Sheba, Haina, Mintonzaba, Dugumnaba, Sarukama Oina. Haiba Sheba Asi, Prazamiamda, Imtung Kuding Makta Bucket and Nini and Zaraga, Kogi Tarutananba, Lekaya Matarutananba, municipality, Ama Oinabonabada, Haiba Kontangas Lokachavan.
Former Director General of Police of Assam, Khagen Sharma, has passed away yesterday. Khagen Sharma was ailing from cancer and admitted to Sun Valley Hospital in Guwahati, Assam. The former DGP was a 1982 batch IPS officer who retired on November 30, 2015. It may be mentioned here that former top cop Sharma is credited with bringing ULFA, NDFBP as well as NDFB Ranjan Daimeri faction to the peace talks table during his tenure. Moreover, during Sharma's tenure as the ADGP SB on January 24, 2012, 668 militants belonging to 9 militant outfits of the state laid down arms before the Union Home Minister P. Chidambaram in Guwahati. Out of the 9 outfits, 6 were Adivasi outfits while the rest were Kuki groups, and their demand mostly revolved around granting of ST status. Indian Vice President Venkaiah Naidu hit out at Pakistan, calling it a contemporary epicenter of terrorism at the 18th Summit of Non-Aligned Movement Countries at Azerbaijan. According to media reports, the Vice President was responding to the speech of Pakistan President Arif Alvi, who said that terrorism should not be identified by any nation, region or religion alone. The Vice President said that Pakistan needed to do much more to earn the confidence of the international community. In its latest move to promote journalism and shrug off its reputation as a platform for misinformation, Facebook on Friday launched its dedicated news tab with professionally produced content, media reported. Tested with some users in the US, the tab will be separate from a user's normal feed. It will include articles from partner news organizations, making a clear distinction between journalism and stories shared by users from a wide range of sources. Facebook chief executive Mark Zuckerberg told an audience in New York, "This is going to be the first time ever there will be a dedicated space on the Facebook app that is focused on high-quality journalism." Zuckerberg added. Now let's have a look at the sports news. To be participated by around 130 paragliders and 20 officials from different countries, the event will be held from February 10 to 16 next year. Apart from the Paragliding World Cup, the Mizoram State Games will also be held in Aizawl from December 9 to 13, informed State Sports Minister Robert Romavia Roite, according to media reports. Various steps are being taken to hold the state games successfully, Roite added. He further informed that a sum of rupees 150 lakh has been allotted for the state games. More funds, if required, will be provided and all constituencies will be given rupees 50,000 each to prepare for the games, Roite added. The 7th state level WYLCO Cup Water Polo Championship was kicked off yesterday at Shyam of Kongba Bazaar, Imphal East. CAC Wangkai Ningthem Pukri Mapal defeated KYO Kongba Nongthombam Lekai by 4-3 in the opening match. Talking to media at the venue today, executive member of WYLCO Kongba L. Ashok said that the championship is held for the seventh time with an objective to promote and preserve water polo in Manipur. He also expressed displeasure over the absence of 6 officials who were supposed to be present in the opening ceremony. Ashok urged the concerned department to take action against the 6 officials for failing to turn up at the event. Now let's have a look at the local newspaper headlines.
This Shanghai Express, armor falcons to be pitted with radio transmitters. Advanced BJP team process to Delhi to seek appointment with Prime Minister, Home Minister under talk schedule. All political parties delegation likely to head to Delhi today. NSN IM Kilonsers join NNPGS. Maira rally stage to assert stand of Manipur. The Morning Bell. FCI condemns mob violence by NINOP contract laborers. Rajashree Bhaigachandra, a man of imaginative mind and religious ingenuity, Governor. State-level consultation on sexual and reproductive health rights begin. Assam Rifles conduct Know Your Army Mela. Manipur Mail. J.C. Murmu, J&K's first Lieutenant Governor, Malik, moved to Goa. Race for Haryana throne. Shastri's Samadhi Utsav Mela. Imphal Free Phrase. Peace accords should not serve interests of particular community. All political party ready with draft memo to be submitted to Prime Minister. Will not remain silent if state's integrity is compromised. Amoko. Court gives bail to FCI official. 11 mad to pay rupees 4,67,000 for mob violence.
Now the top stories once again. Journalists meet solid Chandrayaan-2 propellant team member Hidam Rajiv. Availability of local salt considerably reduced in Manipur due to government negligence. Ravi NNPG's meet in New Delhi postponed. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.